returning home to what little is left. Palestinians in the Al-Makasi area of Gaza City are surveying the scale of destruction for the first time. Since the Israeli military announced a withdrawal from small pockets in the besieged strip, remnants of their lives are scattered throughout the wreckage. What hasn't been destroyed is the unflinching resilience and loyalty to a land that holds their history, their stories, and their future.
دمار شامل لكل ممتلكات المواطنين.
All our properties have been destroyed. We are all innocent, defenseless civilians. We have nothing to do with Hamas or the resistance. They are trying to transfer us. The goal of Israel is to force us to go somewhere else. We will never leave our land. We will never go anywhere.
Rights groups estimate more than 70% of residential homes in the Gaza Strip have been heavily damaged or destroyed. That's around 132,000 buildings. The UN says around 650,000 Palestinians will have no home to return to when the war ends. Debris from the mass destruction is expected to exceed 8 million metric tons and take about 3 years to remove. As well as residential buildings, schools, government offices, and health facilities run by UN agencies have been leveled or are beyond repair. The task of rebuilding seems overwhelming, but Palestinians say they are undeterred.
I will stay here until I die. I am steadfast. We will never leave our land. It is the occupation that will leave our land one day, sooner or later.
Like many in Gaza, this neighborhood has been destroyed. But for the people who live here, this land will always be their home, no matter how many times they need to rebuild and begin their lives again. Imran Allah Khan, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.